In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract the save password from any browser. What do you think? Is that safe to store your password in any browser? If you are using the Firefox, is that safe to save your password? Or you're using any Google Chrome or any Edge browser, any browser, doesn't matter. As long as if you save your password in the browser, that is so dangerous. In this video, we are exploring and talking about the why don't we have to save those passwords in any browser. I understand you are trying to save your time. In the meantime, you are giving access or saving password to the browser and giving access if someone log into your computer, and they will dump all those passwords from the browser. So in this video, we are talking about the password saving. For example, I will go here in the Edge browser, click here and settings. Once you click on settings, there is the profile right here, and you will see here the payment info, password, personal info, and so on. Once you open that, you will see different sites. They are saved in your browser. As long as if you click that, it will ask password. However, it is so simple, all right? And then you don't know the password. You think, okay, this is might be safe, but in fact, that is not safe. All right, let's do one thing here. I do have the WordPress login credential saved here, 3 different accounts. We will try to decrypt those passwords from the browser. We have Firefox, we have Google Chrome, we have similar other browser. Let's go here, settings. If you go to privacy and security, there is the options you will see here, saved logged in. You can try to open this one easily. You can try, it doesn't require the password here. Similar way, that's the same thing for the Google Chrome too. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Once I upload the new video, you'll get notified. Let's hop on to the video. I will show how the bad people gain access to your account. For that, we have Windows machine and the Kali Linux machine. So I do have virtual machine here. If you see right here, this is a virtual machine and this is the real Windows 10 machine. So now, first thing first, what are the things that need to be considered while you are trying to save your password in the browser? So this one, if you open the browser and type the decrypt-chrome-password in the GitHub repository, I will also put this link in the description below. You can copy paste easily. Without being said, so this only support to the Windows machine. So that's why I am trying to demonstrate that in the Windows machine. So there is another Firefox Python script that we can run in the Kali Linux or any Windows machine or any Linux machine. For the dependencies, you require 3 dependencies. It doesn't really matter. You can install this one too. If you get error, that's fine. The main important 2 pieces are py crypto domax and py win32. There's another very important part is, so I already installed the Python and the get clone program on my computer in Windows 10 machine. Now what we have to do is, so simply I will say this one and copy it. So because first thing, we are decrypting the Chrome, any Chromium, doesn't matter, either Google Chrome, either Edge browser, so on. And then I really appreciate for the contributor and the owner of this program. Now let's open the command prompt. Also make sure that go to create the folder. So I already created a folder inside the temporary and get project. So I am here and I will do dir. There is no any files. Let's copy this from the decrypt-chrome password and I will say get clone the link. So this is very important that while you are trying to install those dependencies, make sure pip is installed. Let's go first to the Decrypt Chrome browser and you have to do pip install -r requirement.txt. So once you hit install, that will install all your requirements because that will get error. So that's why I mentioned you, if that's getting error, that's fine. So also you have to do those 2 things. So for that, let's do type requirement.txt and you can just copy this and you can do pip install this, and you hit enter. That will install all the packages for you, and do the same thing for this, and that will also install everything because I already installed for you because I don't want to waste your time. And now let's go ahead and launch the program that is do dir, and we will launch this decrypt_chrome_password.py python 3 decrypt chrome_browser_password. Hit enter. So now if you see right here, all the saved password are, you can see literally everything, whatever the password saved. Now let's copy this. Let's do side by side. If you see the URL, so that matches exactly here. So you can copy this and paste it here. So that's exactly WordPress and demo, right? So copy this and type demo and paste the password. So if you log in, there you go. So you can do every single password, and you can just copy it, and you can just save to your local machine, and you can just go. So that's the whole purpose of not saving password in any browser. And also let me show you in the Firefox. Before that, let me show you two other files that are very important to crack this password. If you don't have time, you need to crack offline, just copy those files, dump it to somewhere and go, and you can crack that later. Let's do one thing. So let's open the file explorer, and you can go to C drive, user, and username, app data right here, the local Google Chrome user data and default. So now this file, you can copy this and paste it to somewhere, and there's another file that need to be copied, and this file, local state file, just copy those file and dump it to somewhere and go. So those are the two important steps in any Chromium version of the browser, either that is Chrome or either that is Edge browser. Nowadays every browser is using Chromium. Let me exit this right here, and let me do the same thing in one of the Kali machine. So I already installed the Firefox_decrypt, and I already logged in to one of the WordPress which is locally hosted. What you have to do is, let's clone this first. So for the cloning, I will also put this link in the description. You can get from there. So now it says that there are the few things that need to be considered here. You can run Python Firefox_decrypt, and there are the things you can do advanced too. And also you can do the same thing in the Windows too. So first thing, let's do in the Kali machine or any other Linux machine, and we will go back to Windows machine and I will show you there. So first thing, let's go to copy this, clone, get clone, and paste it here. I already download, so it may not do it. If you haven't do it, so go ahead and download and do cd Firefox. So after that, you don't have to do anything, just run that file. That's it, right? So you can just run Python 3 and Firefox_decrypt.py. It will ask you or which profile you want to decrypt. I will go with 2 because that's the default ESR, and hit enter. There you go. Now you can literally have admin password. So don't you think that is so simple? In the meantime, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. That's how we will get connected. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Once I upload any new video, you'll get notified. We can go back to Windows machine now. For the Windows machine, let's go to copy this. I'll just copy this. I don't want to Google it again. So if you go here, minimize this, paste here. Once you paste here, copy this. So open the command prompt. Let's go to cd temp and get project. So do dir. So decrypt Chrome is there. Now let's go to add that file, get clone, and hit enter. So once you install that, you don't have to do anything. Just go inside the folder, launch that Python Firefox.py. So I make sure that this one is installed because we are dumping the credential from the Firefox. So now let's hit enter, and it will require the profile. Which profile you want to do is obviously 2. Boom. Even doesn't matter if you put like 15 characters, 16 characters, because it's simple, is plain text. So now you can copy this copy it and come back here, paste it here, and do test2. Boom, you are literally inside the admin portal. I will highly recommend you to not save password in any browser, no matter what. Let me show you the location for that. That comes here again. So this location, and if you go to app data, roaming, Mozilla, and Firefox profiles, literally you can see all those things. You can just copy this and paste it to different location. After that, there's other DLL files too. So the DLL file will be inside the C location, program files, Mozilla, Firefox. Now let's find the NSS. So this file, so you can copy that and dump it to the same folder that you required, and you can copy it and just go. That's how we are able to get the safe password from the machine. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and please hit the bell icon so if I upload any new video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.